this tutorial we see about how to format our text information. Last tutorial we saw how to do picture formatting. In the same manner we do how to do text formatting. For example, I am selecting the text. Whenever you select the text or you place your mouse in the text area, you can find two formats are available. This is called shape, this is called text. So now we will see first about the text. I will select the text and select any text. So this is Alpha College I am selecting. Can you see here word art styles is available. Again I will go here, I can select any word or style. For example, fill white, outline, this is one method. This is another one is called what? This is fill white, outline accent 1 and glow accent 1. I am selecting the first one. Clear? Whatever style you can select it. I am selecting this one. Suppose I want to fill some colors inside the text. You can see I can select the maroon color, whatever the dark red, I can select dark red. So if I want to select the outline color I want to select, I will select outline color is like blue. Outline color is blue. This way I will select the outline color. Can you see here? Outline color blue. Outline color is a blue color and I select like this. So this is a method I will do it. So another one in the format, the second format, not in the first format, text format. I want to do the weight. Weight is nothing but I want to make thinner. So you can see thinner, this one. So I want same thing how you did picture. Dashes, I want to be dashes like this. Can you see dashes? So this way the picture border I can make it. And text effect also I can do. Shadow. Shadow you can put offset center. I can make shadow here. Or if you want to make reflection I want to make off reflection, you can do off reflection you can do. Like this you can do this one. Another important thing here, this is a picture format. Drop cap. I want to use the drop cap. How I can use drop cap? Here you can see drop cap. Drop cap meaning is first letter is bigger, drop. So each style you can see here, drop cap style 1, this is style 2, this is style 3, this is style 4, this is style 5. Suppose I am using style 5, can you see? It will change. Suppose I am selecting style 4, style 3. So you can use any style. Clear or not? This is called drop cap. First letter should be this format. How it will come is the letter, all remaining letters should be down. You can see if I select file, this should be bigger, remaining letter should be what? Down. Can you see this one? The first one, if I select first one, how it is given? Letter should be up. All letters should be, all characters, not letter, characters should be up. You see, characters up. Clear? This is a method we can find. Is seeing this itself, template itself, we know that this is a this template format, it will change our drop cap. Another important one, I want to change the direction of the text. You can see here direction, text direction. Like this we can change the text direction. Clear or not? This and all we can use in this tutorial. How to format the text. So text style we know that, and we know how to fill the text color in the inside the color, and then text outline we know how to do weight and dashes and text effect. Clear? So this tutorial and drop cap and text directions. So this tutorial we learned how to do the text formatting.